Back everyone. You may be having an issue with your iPhone where for some reason whenever you are in an iPhone call with somebody, aka if you're on like one of those calls with anybody else, you may be seeing that your screen of your iPhone is turning off and you don't want your iPhone screen to turn off when you're in a call. Well, one thing you have to remember is that when you have a call with somebody and you bring the iPhone close to your ear or whatever, well, you have to remember that the iPhone has a sensor right here and it's going to go ahead and turn off the display if it detects your face right next to it. So as an example, if you have another iPhone laying around another device, if you call somebody within it, if you actually cover that sensor, it's going to go ahead and pretty much turn off the display. Once you let go, it's going to turn the display back on. Why is this important? Well, you have to remember that if there is something covering that sensor, that is the reason why your iPhone is just randomly turning off that display. So you have to pretty much in this specific case, if you're calling somebody and there is something covering the sensor, it's going to turn the display off. So what you want to do here is you want to make sure there's nothing covering the display of your specific iPhone. This includes not only cases, but also screen protectors, dust, debris, marking, whatever the case is. There can sometimes be issues where you have marking and covering of this specific sensor, and you're going to have to pretty much uncover that specific, sensor. So go ahead and grab some sort of microfiber cloth, grab some sort of whatever else you have laying around, and clean up the screen of your iPhone. If your glass screen protector of your iPhone covers that sensor, you're going to have to either get another screen protector or find a way to go ahead and kind of move it around or remove it from that specific sensor point up top. Another thing you can do is to check your case. If you have a case that's covering your iPhone and it dips down and covers the sensor, that's another reason why your display is turning off. So, wipe it down, take off anything that's covering that sensor, and you should be okay for the most part. If that still doesn't work, what I'd recommend doing is updating your iPhone. This is easily one of the easiest ways to fix these issues. So what you want to do here, go ahead, click on General, which is right here in your settings panel, click on Software Update, and you want to download and install the latest update to your iPhone. This is, again, probably the easiest way to go ahead and do this. And at this point, you should be good to go for the most part. So that kind of covers it up. If you guys have any other questions or concerns, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.